Hello, and welcome to the How to Find a Book in the Library catalog video. You want to start at the library homepage at montclair.edu/library and click on the tab Find Books and Media to search the library catalog. Type in some keywords for your search. You can see here I've already typed in plants, and click on Search Library Catalog. Your search results will show up on the screen, and you could see how many results have come up here right at the top. We have a feature where you could search through our multiple libraries. If you look to the left under Held by Library, you will see that under the Montclair State University category are two limits, the Sprague Library and Bloomfield College Library. If you click on the Sprague Library, it will show you only physical materials found at the Sprague Library. As you could see here, and right under here. If you click on the Bloomfield College Library limit, there will be materials only found at the Bloomfield College Library. As you could see here and under all of these as well. There are also a number of other limits over on the left-hand side that you could use to narrow your search. So for example, we will right now only look at print books at the Sprague Library. So I'm going to click on the Sprague Library. Then, under Looking for a filter, select Print Books. And then I will also use the limit for the publication year, which is just a little bit further down, to only view things that were published recently. I'm going to click on this one here that says the last 5 years. So now we are looking at a list of print books that we have in the library that are somehow related to the keyword plant. So I could scroll through and browse some of these search results. I could also go back and apply more limits on the left-hand side if I choose to. Maybe I want to change my dates, for example. Or I could also back up a step on the top left. You could back up by Xing out either print book or X out the selection I chose for the last 5 years, or even the Sprague Library. Find a title that you're interested in. You could click on the title for a little bit more information. And over on the right-hand side, you'll see where in the library the book is located. This one says it's on the 2nd floor. You'll also see the letters and numbers that make up the call number, which you would need if you were to go and try to get this book for yourself from the shelf. You could also place a book on hold. And that means that the library staff will retrieve the book for you or have it sent from the other library and bring it to the front desk for you to pick it up. You'll get an email when that book is ready to be picked up. This is the full catalog record for this particular title, and you will see there is more information. The contents note lists the chapters of the book. And there's also subject headings. You could click on any of these subject headings if you want to find more similar items. There's a Cite button to cite the book. You could choose a citation style like APA, and it will pre-populate a citation for you. You always want to double check those, but it gives you a good starting point. There's also a share button and a copy link. If you want to share this book record with somebody else, you could send them that link and it will take them directly to this page. If you need assistance, you could use our Ask a Librarian feature, where real librarians will answer your questions and are available 24 hours a day. You could access this from the library homepage.